guys, I'm starting off by priming my eyelid with the e.l.f. concealer, and then I'm quickly grabbing the Morphe Jeffree Artistry palette, and I'm going in with that shade called Mogul, and I'm just applying it just above my crease area, just slightly above my crease area, making sure that I'm packing the product really well. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna grab the Essence Royal Party eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with that brown shade, and this one is called All Eyes on Me, just to kind of like soften that purple a little bit. Once I'm done with that, I'm just grabbing my concealer and I'm just kind of like cut the crease more like halfway. And now once I'm done cutting that crease, I'm just gonna go back and kind of like fill in that space a little bit, because this is the area that we want to stand out a little bit more. So once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go back with the previous shades that we used, and I'm just gonna try to like blend out that outer corner a little bit using those Mogul as well as All Eyes on Me. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go back to the Essence Royal Party eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the eyeshadow called Spotlight, and this is more like a shimmery, what do you call it, shimmery white or cream white eyeshadow, and I'm just going to place it all over that area. Once I'm done with that, I'm grabbing my black gel liner, and I'm just going to make sure that I actually outline my upper lash line and make it a little bit longer than I normally do, and also a bit thicker. So now I'm grabbing purple glitter, and I'm gonna place it on top of that wing gel liner that we just applied while it's still a bit wet and not dry yet, because this is gonna help the glitter adhere better rather than me applying the glitter glue. So this worked just fine. Then I'm quickly taking my tape, and I'm just using this method to kind of like remove those glitter that have fallen on my face area. So using a tape to remove glitter works way better than actually using wipes, because wipes is just gonna spread it all over my face, and we don't want that. So now I'm grabbing the L.A Girl primer spray, and that's what I'm gonna use before applying my foundation. And then I'm going in with the Esteelauder Foundation, making sure that I spread it all over my face evenly using a brush. Now once I'm done with that, I'm grabbing the e.l.f. tone correcting concealer, and this one is in the shade Ivory. So I'm just using it to kind of like highlight and also clean underneath my eyes, as well as on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and on my chin. I like this concealer mainly because it's very light, so if you don't want heavy makeup or you've got nothing to conceal underneath your eyes, this would work best. So as you can see here, I'm just quickly blending out that concealer a little bit just to make sure everything looks even and smooth and also clear. So now I'm grabbing the Milani Minerals Loose Makeup, and this one is in the shade Pure Radiance, just to kind of like set those areas that we use the concealer on. I'm basically using a foundation brush to apply the powder because sometimes I just feel like it works best rather than me using a sponge. So it just helps me pack in the product a little bit better. And now I'm actually using the powder brush, a fluffy one this time, to just kind of like remove that excess powder. And then now I'm grabbing the L.A Girl Blush Collection Glam palette, and I'm going into those two shades, which is like a bronzer shade as well as a pink shade, just to kind of like not make my blush a bit too much. So it's just gonna help, that brown shade is just gonna help tone down that pink shade a little bit, because I don't want it to be screaming pink. I just want it to be a bit toned down. And now I'm just going back with the previous eyeshadow shades, mainly the one called Mogul from Jeffree's Artistry palette, and that's what I'm applying underneath my eyes just after lining my lower lash line using the same black gel liner. So now I'm going into the highlighter from L.A Girl Blush Collection, and I'm just gonna highlight the bridge of my nose basically, as well as on my cheekbones. And now I'm grabbing the L.A Girl Glazed Lip Paint, and this one is in a shade called Koi, and I just love this shade so much. I've never actually attempted to wear bright shades, but this one works best for this look. And that's about it, you guys. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Until next time, bye bye.